Shall we start the meeting?
Yes, let us start.
Is everyone ready today?
Yes, I am ready.
What is today's agenda?
3 main topics today.
Can I take notes?
Yes, please do.
Is this meeting long?
No, just 30 minutes.
What is first topic?
Our weekly progress report.
How did last week go?
Very well, actually.
Did we meet our goals?
Yes, all goals met.
Really? That is great.
Yes, team worked hard.
What about the deadline?
Finished 1 day early.
1 day early? Impressive.
Yes, team was excellent.
What is second topic?
New project starting soon.
When does it start?
Starting next Monday, actually.
Is team ready for it?
Yes, fully prepared now.
Do we need more help?
No, team is enough.
Is budget confirmed yet?
Yes, budget is approved.
How much is budget?
$50,000 total.
Is that enough money?
Yes, more than enough.
Who leads the project?
You will lead it.
Me? Really?
Yes, you are perfect.
Do I have experience?
Yes, very good experience.
What is third topic?
Team feedback and ideas.
Can I share my idea?
Yes, please share it.
What is your idea?
Weekly team lunch together.
Is that a good idea?
Yes, builds team spirit.
When shall we do it?
Every Friday at noon.
Is Friday good for everyone?
Yes, Friday works perfectly.
Should we book a place?
Yes, I will book.
Any restaurant preference?
Somewhere close to office.
Is there one nearby?
Yes, just downstairs, actually.
Is food good there?
Yes, very good food.
Do they take reservations?
Yes, I will call.
How many people are we?
Just 5 people today.
Is 5 enough for table?
Yes, easy to book.
Shall we invite manager too?
Yes, good idea, actually.
Is manager free on Friday?
I will check schedule.
Can you check right now?
Yes, checking right now.
Is manager available?
Yes, Friday works perfectly.
Shall I confirm booking?
Yes, please confirm today.
Any other ideas to share?
Yes, one more idea.
What is your other idea?
Monthly team training sessions.
Is training important for team?
Yes, very important indeed.
What kind of training?
Communication and leadership skills.
Is that expensive training?
No, very affordable online.
Can we start next month?
Yes, next month, perfect.
Who organizes the training?
I can organize it.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I enjoy organizing.
Thank you for volunteering.
Happy to help always.
Shall we end meeting now?
Yes, covered everything today.
Was meeting productive today?
Yes, very productive meeting.
Shall we meet same time?
Yes, next week, same.
Thank you for great ideas.
Thank you for listening.